It's been 2.5 months since I last traveled. I know it's been too long, and I know this channel has been too inconsistent, but thank you for being with me in this inconsistently consistent journey. So let's get started with the video. Today I'm going to show you everything I carried in my hand luggage or handbag as you call it. And this bag is by Wildcraft. I am in love with this bag. This has been there with me since I think 4 years. And my god, it does its job. Okay, so let me show you every section I fill with whatever I can show you, and literally it has been my Boria Bistar, if you know what I mean. So let me start. Okay, so there is this one chotu sa zipper where I carry my ID card and thoda sa chutta. Change is very important and so essential. अगर मेरी बात मानो, अगर कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाए, फ़ोन ना चले और क्रेडिट कार्ड मशीन्स ना चले, छुट्टी की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है. सो दैट एंड आईडी कार्ड कभी कुछ हो जाए तो आईडी कार्ड इज़ द मोस्ट असेंशियल थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. येस प्लीज, यू हैव टू अग्री विथ मी. एनीवे, सो दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. दिस इज़ अनदर पार्ट ऑफ द बैग. इसमें बहुत कुछ आ सकता है. सो वेट, लेट मी शो यू. पहले तो आई हैव माई वॉलेट. दिस हैज़ माई कार्ड्स, दिस हैज़ माई little money. This also has one very important thing. You should always have this little chit with an emergency name, number and your blood group. I'll tell you why. Okay, kabhi you're in a very serious situation and somebody finds that, they can at least help you, so that please make sure you keep that in your wallet. The next thing in my wallet is a little notebook and a pen. Okay, this pen is really cool. I am really fascinated by this pen. Okay, wait, let me show you. See this? Oh my god, it has a light and it has a donut. It's so cute. This has a light and if वो pen का भी काम करते हैं और थोड़ा torch भी. So which is quite cool. I know. Okay, next thing, I have my shades. I love my Ray-Ban shades. These are Ray-Ban shades. These are my beautiful shades. See, लग रही हूँ ना मैं cool. I love these shades, man. My Ray-Ban shades are my forever favorites. I mean, I love to carry these. I mean, most of my pictures, and I'm sure you notice this, most of my photographs have these pair of shades. So this is something that I carry. Yes, please carry mint. बहुत ज़रूरी. Carry your favorite flavor, whatever. Feel refreshed. I mean, feeling refreshed throughout your travel is very important. So I always carry mint. So ये मत carry करना भूलना. This set. And then I have AirPods. सुख दुख में AirPods की इतनी, I love my AirPods. इसको चार्ज करना मत भूलना गाइज. पता है ये सबसे ज़्यादा दुख की बात है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं इसको चार्ज नहीं करती, बट इसको चार्ज करके हमेशा कैरी करना, इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड एंड यू हैव टू अग्री विद मी ऑन दिस. एनीवे, अब आते हैं इस पे. ये मेरा लिटिल मिनी बैग है इन माई बिग बैग, जिसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. वेट, लेट मी शो यू एक एक करके. एक तो हैंड क्रीम है. देखो भाई, हैंड क्रीम बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर तुम्हारे को ड्राई स्किन है, स्पेशली ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम हो भी जाती है, तो इसको यूज़ करना भाई लोग मत भूलना. हैंड क्रीम, अभी आई एम यूजिंग दिस Shea Butter हैंड क्रीम एंड इट ऑल्सो सेज आई नीड अ वेकेशन. देखो. Anyway, so next thing that is there in my essentials is a pocket perfume. This one is a refiller. So isme from here you can add your favorite branded perfumes and you can keep refilling it every time, and I love to do this. And I also like to have a pocket perfume. बहुत ज़रूरी है to keep you refreshed and your body always happy. Okay, the next thing is a lip balm. यार अगर स्किन ड्राई होती है तो लिप्स भी ड्राई होते हैं, तो प्लीज़ लिप बाम यूज़ करना मत भूलना. दिस वन इज़ माई शुगर दैट आई एम यूजिंग करेंटली. नेक्स्ट इज़ अ हेयर टाई. भैया इतना कभी गर्मी होता है, इतना कभी बाल इतना वो हो जाता है, सो यू जस्ट टाई योर हेयर एंड फील यू नो सही. ओके, देन आई हैव अ नॉर्मल टिश्यू एंड अ वेट टिश्यू. ये मैंने भी विस्तारा से उठाया था. अपने लास्ट ट्रिप पे. ठीक है यार, प्री की चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं. एंड द लिपस्टिक, oh okay, this one's by K Beauty. And man, if you are if you think that travel के टाइम कुछ चाहिए तो this is it. Just suddenly makes you feel beautiful and refreshed. This one's by K Beauty. Okay, and the last thing, as a girly I always carry a sanitary pad, so yeah, so those are the essentials in that bag. Okay, the one last thing that I have in this section of the bag is a fidget spinner. See this? Okay, at a point of time tha when this was like a go-to thing for most people, if you know what I mean. See, it works so well when you're stressed, when you're overthinking, when there are too many people around you, just to focus and to distract yourself. This really helps. I know थोड़ा trippy है, एक point of time पे बहुत viral भी था. अगर Instagram पे होता ना, अभी होता ये, damn ये बहुत viral चीज़ थी, बहुत cool है ये. Okay, so that's pretty much that. And we come to the next section. This is my favorite thing actually in my entire bag. This is a tripod for phone, DSLR, and this goes up till 6 feet. This also has a remote sort of thing यहाँ पे जो you can use with like a Bluetooth remote, and you can self shoot yourself, which is so cool, है ना. I mean personally it really helps me क्योंकि solo traveling में कोई और नहीं होता ना help करने के लिए. I mean अच्छा हाँ, by the way इस चीज़ से मुझे याद आया लोग सोलो ट्रैवलिंग की वीडियोस डालते हैं रील पे. ओ माय गॉड, एज अ सोलो ट्रैवलर, एंड पता नहीं कोई और ही शूट कर रहा होता है. भाई कौन है ये, कौन तुम्हारे साथ घूम रहा है एज अ सोलो ट्रैवलर? सोलो मीन्स अकेले ना, कौन है ये आपके साथ साथ शूट कर रहे हैं. एनीवे, ये मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन थी, बाकी आप भी बता सकते हो व्हाट यू थिंक. दिस इज अब नेक्स्ट सेक्शन था. दिस इज द मेन सेक्शन. ये है जहाँ पे असली माल है. ओके, मजाक करी मैं. ठीक है, सो ये वाला सेक्शन अब मैं खोल रही हूँ. इसमें है सबसे पहले मेरी पहली प्यार, my first love. This is the Nikon D850 and the lens that I'm using currently is 24-120, and man, this is my first love, truly. So I always carry my DSLR. हाँ, ये भी सच बात है, मैं फोटोज खींचती हूँ, कभी पोस्ट नहीं करती. तो यू कैन इनकरेज मी टू पोस्ट मोर ऑफ द photographs that I click from my DSLR, which will be good encouragement. Anyway, so then along with this I actually take a lens extra, and usually I carry the 50mm lens. This is also by Nikon, and yeah, so this I always carry. And because I love to click pictures, I always carry an extra battery and the charger for my DSLR. Always so important. Photography has always been my passion. That's my source of happiness also, and मैं कभी भूल जाती हूँ इस चीज़ को. Anyway, next important thing is a wire and a battery bank. This one is actually by Ambrain, and this is a 20,000 mAh. I got this through Cred, so thank you Cred, because मुझे बहुत अच्छा डील मिला था Cred पे, and if you are interested you can check that out as well. And the next thing that here I have is the Fujifilm camera. This is the Intax camera. It's called the Mini 990. Oh my god, these capture such beautiful memories. And if you are somebody who loves to capture memories and keep it forever, like a hard copy person, this one is your go-to. I know थोड़ा सा expensive है, but this is actually the most beautiful thing, and I got this actually on my birthday, so I have to thank my mom for this one. And essentially I have an extra bag के अंदर bag बताओ. Anyway, this one is like my go-to जब मैं like बाहर घूमने के लिए है, या मुझे पूरा अपना बोरिया बिस्तर नहीं कैरी करना. So this one is there. इसमें पैसे भी आ जाते हैं, मेरे फ़ोन भी आ जाता है, मेरा जो भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं वो आ जाती हैं. So I can carry this let alone. तो ये है pretty much क्या था इस section में. अब let's come to the last section of this bag. I know बहुत सारा कुछ दिखा दिया नहीं मैंने. I have to agree to disagree. Anyway, So there I have my laptop. इसमें ही सब कुछ काम होता है, तो very 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 important. So yes, this has to be there. And the next important thing is I love reading, and this book I'm currently reading, it's Pulp. And every month I actually read one book. So reading is a really good habit that I've taken up bachpan se, and now thank God I'm back to it. So this is a very essential thing, and especially when you're traveling on flights or in train or wherever, a book in need is all you need when you're traveling. And yeah, two of my things I can't live without when I'm traveling, I think, is headphones and a book. ये दो चीज़ों के साथ मुझे छोड़ दो ना, seriously I'm the happiest person. I mean, I'm just in my own little world जब तक I reach the destination. So that's my little story. अब आप बताओ, what do you think of the things that I carry, and what do you carry in your little bag? Also, a little tip, your laptop and camera is not considered as hand luggage. You can carry an extra bag along with it, so that will be rather weighed than this, because these are electronics, and electronics cannot go in your main luggage that is checked in. So yeah, you can check with your airlines as well, and mostly this is not weighed, so you're pretty much in the safe space. So that's it for me, and that's all that I carry, and I will see you in the next one for sure, in the next place that I'm going to, and that is truly one of my favorite places, so you can keep guessing where I'm going. See you in the next one.